Yo, what's up guys? Clinton here. So in today's video, I'm gonna be actually telling you guys about this Binance feature called the Binance Simple Earn. How you can actually go about it, what you should actually understand before you start using the Binance Simple Earn. So the most common question you're gonna ask yourself here is, what is actually Binance Simple Earn? So Binance Simple Earn was actually derived after the Binance Savings and Binance Staking were actually merged together, and then Binance came up with this term called the Binance Simple Earn. This is coming together of merging these two finance products, and this product Binance Simple Earn gives you a flexible and a locked feature whereby you can actually get your interest flexibly, like that is like every day at a certain period of time, or you can actually put it into a fixed, let's say 21 days, 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, all over to 120 days, which is 4 months. Okay, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can actually go about this using your the desktop version, and also I'll be talking about the mobile version towards the end. Okay, so now we are here in our Binance website version. Once you come into this part, you can actually go over to N here that says N, and to locate it, you're gonna hover just above N, and you can just take your mouse to where it says Simple Earn. And once you click on Simple Earn, you're going to come up with this interface right here. And as you can see, these ones are the special offers that they are offering currently. Okay, these ones are the hot offers they're offering currently. So it has a period of 21 or to 120 days, and this is a annual percentage of your interest that will be coming in. This is annual stuff. So if you want to get actually what it's going to give you in 4 months, that is the maximum, which is 120 days. You can actually go ahead and do the math and check it out, and come back and check how much percent of this, for instance 16%, you'll be getting in the space of 1 month, 30 days, 2 months, 60 days, 3 months, 90, and 4 months, 120 days. And not I'm going to show you guys something you have to know. Once you click on subscribe, if you're currently in 120 days, they have an available quota of 5 Solana. You can actually use to subscribe into this. When you take it over to flexible, you can actually maximize your quota up to 2 million Solana. That's crazy. Okay, but all you have to know is that this flexible staking is just like, it's flexible. You can actually redeem your staked funds and your interest that you got. Okay, you can turn this auto subscribe on, so that whatsoever interest you get within your flexible earning, it can actually automatically go into your initial investment. Okay, coming over to 120 days, you can see the amount of Solana in your quota reduces. 30 days, 7,000 Solana. 90 days, 30, and 120 days gives you just 5 Solana. Okay, that's everything you need to know. Once you are here in the flexible, you can see that the subscription dates, for instance, if I'm going to subscribe today and I'm going to be getting my interest the next day, this is something you have to take note of. Okay, this is just everything. Okay, right, currently now I'm just going to go over and show you guys how you can actually redeem, because from here I have some that I've already staked. It's not actually like staking though. So from here right now, I'm going to show you I have some FTM that I am actually subscribed to. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on redeem. And for here now, you have to pay attention to this method of redemption. So for the fast redemption, this is the maximum you can redeem, and then this is going to be the terms. The redeemed quantity is returned instantly today. Okay, coming over to what this actually means is that once you click on once you check on this box and you click on confirm, let's put the maximum. Okay, once you click on this now, confirm, I'm just going to actually get my FTM back to my spot wallet. But if I actually go down to here that says standard redemption, I actually have the opportunity, and I'm still entitled to actually get all my accrued interest for today. I'm actually going to get my interest for today before the redemption is going to go through. So if you still want to get your interest for that same day, try and use this one. But for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and use fast redemption, and I want to actually redeem all of my FTM because currently this is just under my flexible. I'm going to click confirm, and it's successful. Okay, this is what they're telling me. It's gonna come in within any time soon. Let me go back to Simple Earn. Okay, so from here now, from here right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and search for FTM. So once I search FTM, I can actually click on subscribe, and currently now I have my 3 FTM available for me. And once I click on flexible, this is the maximum I can be using for this. And coming over to 30 days, you can see this the product, or the product for the FTM has been sold out for 30 days. Sometimes you get this error that it's been sold out. Okay, we still have 120 days. All right, so you have to check out these and take note of what this is actually telling you. Okay, this is my subscription date. Let's assume I'm going to do this right now, and then the value date is going to be today by 8, and then my interest comes in after today, like it's going to come in tomorrow at the same time, and then the interest end date is going to be 2023 March. Okay, so this is just going to be what is it. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on max. I want to put this into the subscription until that time. I'm not using this for anything. But when you check on this, it's going to show you that for 120 days, the estimated APR is 6%. But coming over to here, it says 4%, 6%. So I'm just going to go ahead and just leave it on. The estimated APR here is 1%, and putting this to 6% actually makes not much of a difference compared to 1% that we'll actually be getting here. Okay, so I'm just gonna actually just leave it on 120 days, because for real, I'm actually not using this token here to do anything at the moment. So for here, coming over to the auto subscribe is just like, it's gonna be like I said before, it's gonna actually put back all your interest back into the subscription. It's like a turnover of your interest. So I'm just gonna do that and check on this. I'm gonna check on this, and I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna click on confirm. Please confirm that you read all this. I read it, and you have to check on all the boxes and click on confirm. So now I have my subscription. This is my redemption date, next year, March 6th. All right, I'm cool with that. Then I'm just going to go ahead and click on back to Simple Earn. So once I refresh this page, you can see from here now, it's going to show me, yeah, I have 2 tokens in my wallet. So going over to my wallet, I click on Earn, go over to Earn. Okay, right now it's going to load up. Okay, and for the flexible, it's showing that I have nothing. Going over to the locked, it's going to show I have FTM. And going over to my you can actually just toggle around all this stuff. There is something in my launchpad, which is the hash flow. Okay, that's just everything you need to know, guys. I'm going to show you guys how you can actually be using this on your mobile phone. So here on our mobile phone, you can actually just go ahead and click on you can actually click on here that says more. Once you click on that place that says more, you can actually see Simple Earn is under the recommended services. You can actually go over to Earn, and you can see Simple Earn. So I want to add this now to my homepage. How do I do that? Click on this edit icon just here, and I should go slide all the way down to where it says Earn. and I can actually just add simple Earn. So that's the maximum services I can add to my home screen. You'll click on done, and I'll go back. And currently now, um, the Simple Earn is added into these services that is on my home screen. So I'm going to click on Simple Earn, and just the same process we used in the website version, explaining all this one after the other. It's just the same, but it's a different way to locate it on your mobile phone. So you can actually search for what token you want, let's say FTM, and you can see FTM just comes up. Then you can click on subscribe, and you can go through all the stuff you want. 120 days, it's gonna show me all this. Okay, this is just everything you need to know, guys. Kind of not that confusing. All right. So guys, if you find this video really interesting, it helped you in one or two ways, you can actually go ahead and give the video a like, and you can drop a comment in the comment section telling me what's your favorite altcoin of all time. And you can also go ahead and consider subscribing to the channel. It's actually helped this channel to grow. Give it a like, give the video a like. That's for the YouTube algorithm. And see you guys on the next one. Have a great day.